Okay, you're conveniently out.
You used all of it?
There's a little left.
Dude, go.
I'm good.
Alcohol.
What's this is really loud? Light it, light it. Yep, it lit it a little bit.
Out.
Mine was easy.
Help me.
You know my pants are flammable.
Here.
You can drag it with you.
Ah, crap. I can't. I'll get it. Oh, let's get it.
Pour some alcohol on it.
The neighbors are watching. That's why. There you go, Sal. That's not it? That's not it.
What if somebody drives by like dragging a sewing